Update. I thought you'd give me your ideas and your opinions on this car if it was worth restoring. I still don't know if I'm going to fix it, but I have pulled the wheel end out of it. It had a stock 4-lug under it. This was a factory 5-lug car. Somebody stole the 5-lug off of it before, and it had a 1970s Maverick wheel end with airplane gears in it, basically. You know, what you would expect. Still pretty solid in my opinion on the body wise. How fixed was. Floorboards are still gone. You can even get a better look at them. But the trunk is solid on it. Doors closed like new. The trunk's really solid. It's not going to be if I don't get water out of it, but solid enough for what, for the women we date. Let's see. That's the 4-lug. It's got a lug nut holding the tie rod. We got the hood off now. You can actually see the structure inside. The battery boxes eat out. That's always common on Mustangs and Mavericks. The torque boxes is actually pretty good up front, from what I can tell. A little crusty, but I think it'll clean up good. It was a factory AC car. Amazing. AC, no power brakes. Unless somebody took them off too when they took the 5-lug. I'm not sure. I don't know. Could explain why the lines has been all crazy. It needs all new bushings. This would be a good body swap for something. By God, if I had me a little GT with a coyote in it, well, I'll cut this off and drop it down on it. But I don't. And I like just building junk, so we probably, maybe built this. I had some people say the wiper cow's probably gone. I don't know. You have to cut them off to look, or crawl under the dash and look up, or take a water hose and see, because the floorboard's gone. And usually that's a sign the wiper cow's gone. And if it's anything like replacing these on a Mustang, it sucks. I don't know yet. Ain't checked that out. Did get the rims off of it. Gonna do a 5-lug conversion on it if I keep it. I do got a short nail, an 8.8, came out of a S10 that I'm rebuilding that actually measures like it'll fit under this pretty good. Nice 8.8 would make this Maverick look good. All the money would be in the rear end. Rear end be worth more than the car. But you know, that's videos to come if I keep this. Don't scrap it. I thought I'd be driving this by summer. I ain't got a watch, but summer's here almost. Oh, I think summer is here. Maybe fall, if I did work on it. I don't know. Every project I got ain't got wheels or engines or anything. They don't run. And projects like this ain't simple. You can't just drop a motor in and be like, yeah, I'll be driving that in a week. Look at the suspension, all that needs replaced. You know, some stuff I do is sketchy, but I like to have a good driver. I like to have something. Now, I go down the road, I know the wheel ain't gonna fall off, the tire rod ain't gonna break, the ball joint ain't gonna fall out. That's just me, though. Some of you may be different, so all the bushings will need replaced on this. A nice body swap would fix all that, though. You wanted an update video, I figured I'd give it to you. It looks pretty good underneath back here where the wheel end went and stuff. Trunk's solid, floorboards are shit, and bushings. So it's not too bad. I need a trunk lid too. My trunk lid went MIA. I guess what was a grabber. Yep, so yeah, I need a trunk lid. Trunks for these ain't cheap, by the way. And I ain't found an aftermarket trunk. I could build a trunk. They simple enough. You need a sheet of metal and a little bit of time. But if I build a trunk, it'd be aluminum. Just because I'm that type of guy. So I hope you enjoyed this video of this Maverick. As I said before, I ain't made much progress on it. Ain't had time to mess with it. But let me know what you think. Use that comment section. If you're new, get subscribed. If you're a returning subscriber, hope you enjoyed.